In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate pages on Wix. Whether you're managing a personal blog or running a business site, duplicating pages allows you to maintain consistency in your design and can save you precious time when you're managing content. Now, let's get started and walk through the process together. First things first, you'll need to go to your Wix website editor. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to log in using your Wix account credentials. Navigate to the webpage dashboard where you can access the editing tools that Wix has to offer. Once you're on the editor's main interface, you'll be able to see an array of options designed to help you design and customize your website with ease. Next, you'll want to click on the Pages and Menu option. You can find this on the left-hand side of the editor, and it allows you to see a list of all the pages currently part of your website. This area is where you manage all your site's existing pages, making it a hub for your website navigation and structure. After opening the Pages and Menu section, the next step is choosing the page that you'd like to duplicate. To do this, simply hover over the page name in the list. You should see three small dots appear on the right side of the page name. This icon represents more actions, and when you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear, giving you several options to choose from. From the drop-down menu, you'll click on Duplicate. This action tells the Wix editor that you want to make an exact copy of an existing page. It's a handy tool to use when you want to replicate the structure or layout of a page without having to start from scratch. Once you select Duplicate, you'll notice that another action pops up, which is the Duplicate Page option. Clicking on this ensures that the editor processes your request and starts creating a copy of your selected page. The duplicated page will initially look exactly the same as the original, which you can then modify as needed. Finally, you'll want to give your new page a distinctive name. Type in a name that reflects the purpose or content of the page you're going to create. After entering the new name, go ahead and click Done. This final action saves your changes and completes the duplication process. And that's it. You've successfully duplicated a page on Wix. This simple feature can be a real game changer in site management, where repeating content layouts is beneficial. Remember, you can make any adjustments and tweaks to your new page as needed, further customizing it to suit your needs. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.